Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Jaguar E-Pace key fob. First, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Begin by finding the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This step provides access to the key fob's casing, making the next part much easier to accomplish. Let's move on to opening the fob. Now that the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. With a gentle but firm twist, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once you hear a slight click, you can carefully separate the halves, revealing the old battery inside. It's usually a CR2032 coin cell. Before you remove the old battery, take a quick look at its orientation. This will help ensure you insert the new one correctly. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your fresh CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the slot, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they click shut. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear it click, indicating it's securely locked. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your Jaguar E-Pace, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.